filleting a Dover sole, I'll quickly sort of explain the sort of bits and bobs of the Dover sole. Obviously, you know, it's a flat fish, so you've got your head at the top. Down each side, you've got the wings, which lots and lots of very small bones, which obviously we want to get rid of. And then the main flesh of the fish is through the middle. So when you're filleting the Dover sole, you start by taking the head off, which just snaps, and that moves over here. Then you turn the fish, and then the wings just come off with pressure all the way down. And then the other way as well. So the bottom side of the fish, where the sort of guts are, which are obviously taken out by the chefs, is where the bigger wings are. So that's why obviously you've got much more here. So then you have just the centre bone and the flesh left. So you put the knife in, and that you just run that along the bone, in between the bone and the flesh of the fish, all the way down to the tail. And then again the other side. So just holding the bone in place with the fork and run that all the way down. Just running the knife against the bone. So once you have that, you can lift the fillets up and just move them across. And then to take out the centre bone, you just lift up the top of the bone with the knife and just hold it in place with the fork and just run it down, just making sure you don't get any of the meat stuck to the bone. And then across. Move the bone out of the way. And then sometimes some of the small bones are attached to the fillets of the fish, so you just run the knife down either side or across the top, and then this whole piece lifts up. And then in the restaurant, when we're dressing the fish, we'll then put these two top fillets, because obviously they're the ones with the beautiful grill marks on the top, back on top of the fish, like so. There we are.